Hello, I'm going to show how to add a map to the shooter game using C++. For this demo, I'm going to be using the shooter game and the Sun Temple projects. To migrate assets, copy the Assets, Blueprints, Maps folder from the Sun Temple content folder to the shooter game content folder. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. Before you use Visual Studio, you have to generate the .sln solution file. To do that, under Unreal Projects Shooter Game, select the .u project file, right-click, and select Generate Visual Studio Project Files. To load the solution, what I do is I find one of the .h files, like the shooterhub.h, and I double click it. I'm using Visual Studio 2017. I searched on the high-rise map. To make the demo simpler, I'm only going to make changes that are required to add the map to the .cpp and .h files. These are the changes I made. To compile, go to Build and Build Solution. Already compiled and the build succeeded. If you want to test from the editor, you have to use Standalone Game Mode, because this will give you access to the menu in the game that lets you change the map. These are the packaging settings I used to make sure that the new map is included. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Packaging, cook everything, full rebuild.